YouTube, what's good, man? Who do y'all think cheat more? Men or women? Whoa. And then tell me why not? You think that which other cheats more? Do men cheat more or do women cheat more? Alright? Hit me up, man. Let me know what's good. And then right after you do that, man, go right to this link right here. That link that says One King Wanza. Click on that link and see more videos from the largest YouTube page on earth. Hit me up, man. I send you a shout out back, man. Don't say nothing nasty or dirty, man. And keep it gutter, keep it gangster, but keep it clean, man. Holla at your boy, man. Wanza the Don, YouTube King, man. I got the new site get ready to come, OneKingWanza.com. I make movies, I make clothes. I make clothes for pets. I got raw squirrel clothing for human. I do a lot, man. I drop hit documentaries. Yeah, but just post your comments and let me know what's good, man. Wanza the Don, YouTube King. Thank y'all, man. Keep them questions and answers coming, man. Y'all be blessed. Love y'all, man. Stay motivated, stay productive, and always help somebody, man.